I have a lot of offices, and I work in at least 2 or 3 different places every day. Most people think that my job is a fight with space, but it is really more exciting to race time. That is the greatest challenge. I am an interior designer for Starry Homestead.
My wife likes the gray color. Can you pick the colors to match?
Home is a very unique concept. When people decided to live together, to love and to share, the concept of home exists. And our job is to know every family member as much as possible, to create an exclusive space for them, to better accompany and take care of each other. So, functional design of the space is the first step. This includes asking every family member what their previous living experiences is, like what do they want to keep and which ones to improve.
I need to work late quite often, so I want to create a space so I won't disturb asleep when I come home.
To us, love is the greatest design. The next step is the aesthetics of the space. 3D drawings are a great tool to communicate. Feedbacks from client after seeing the drawings is very helpful to us. Through communications and adjustments, they can visualize their future house and be assured that their lives will be well taken care of. I believe every family has their own spiritual pursuit and persistence, and customers invite us into their lives so that we can extract more inspirations from every family's stories. This is one of the greatest pleasures as a designer. Construction process is the most important part to me. This is where the game really starts. Every single stage after entering the process needs to face a lot of different technical choices. For example, we choose to lay a very thick layer of cement under each piece of tiles. Although it takes a much longer time to discover the values behind these hard works, but the happiness behind all these is actually the highlight of our industry, only shared among us. We appreciate every effort from our behind-the-scenes heroes. Several months of their workmanship under harsh environment, as well as the hidden value in every detail, is undoubtedly the greatest blessing. Starry Homestead, taking care of your loved ones.